Every year, over summer, police are called to water rescue jobs on the Waikato River. Our message this year is quite simple. We're a flotation device. Floating down there on airbeds, pool noodles and really cheap inflatable devices simply doesn't cut the mustard.
And if you can't cut the mustard.
There's multiple hazards on this river that you really have to take care of and be prepared for. If you look at these signs here, there's the water levels go up and down. You've got fast flowing currents, submerged objects, overhanging trees, and the water's cold.
It's pretty gruesome and pretty upsetting when we have to do the door knock and advise somebody that their family member has passed away. So our message is here again. We at Some Flotation Device have a phone with you and a waterproof bag, Ziploc bag, doesn't have to be expensive, and plan your trip, check yourself and check your mates, and be safe. Sure.